Hey, what's up, iCoin Pro fam? I got an exciting training for you today. I'm going to actually show you how you can see who on your team is enrolling other members. So make sure you pause this video, pay attention, take notes, log into your back office, because if you want to be able to see who on your team is enrolling members so that you can congratulate them, you want to be able to see who's getting close to hitting rank so you can congratulate them that way, and also encourage and motivate them because they're getting close to their next rank, and who on your team, your entire team, is enrolling new members, then you want to pay attention because I'm going to show you how to do that right now in this video. So first, you want to go here to the current rank page. So in your back office, click on current rank. When you get there, it is going to show you first of all, what your rank is, and you can see, first of all, what your rank was for last month, which, by the way, listen carefully, whatever your rank that you achieved last month, you're automatically going to get paid as that rank for all of this month as well. So I'll say that one more time. Whatever rank you hit last month, you are paid as that rank in the compensation plan as soon as you hit that rank last month, and it extends all the way until the end of this month as well, whatever month it is. Now, for this month, however, in order for you to maintain your rank and continue to get paid at that rank, then you have to hit that rank again before the end of the month. So at the beginning of each new month, it's going to say what your rank was last month, and it's also going to say your rank for this month, the new month, and it's going to every month start at no rank because you have to work your way back up to your ranks each month. You can see here, we're at the very beginning of the new month, and I've already hit the rank of 3-star and about halfway to the rank of 4-star. And we're, only 6 days into the new month. So that's pretty cool. So as an example, even though I'm getting paid as a 4-star for all of this month automatically because I hit 4-star last month, in order for me to stay 4-star and continue to get paid as a 4-star for next month, I have to hit 4-star this month before the end of the month, by the last day of the month. So you can apply that to you as well for your rank. Whatever rank that you hit last month, you've got to hit that again before the end of this month in order to keep that rank going into next month. Obviously, you don't want to just maintain rank. You want to get to whatever rank you hit last month as fast as possible in the new month and continue to grow your momentum, enrolling new members, helping your team to rank advance. And that is going to also help you move up the ranks as well. Now, let's talk about how you can see what your team is doing on this page, on the rank page, so that you can work with your team to help them hit their next rank. So when you scroll down, it's going to actually show you every single person that you have personally enrolled. Keep that in mind. This list of names is only going to be people you have personally enrolled, and it's going to show you how many active people they currently have on their team for the current month. Now, even if they have enrolled more people, it's not going to show you everyone. This page only shows active. That means that they are paid for the current month. So for example, this person here at the top of the list, he's got 129 people in his team that have already paid their membership this month in just the first 6 days, which is super exciting, by the way, because guess what he's going for? He's going for his next rank, which is 4-star, so super awesome. Now let me give you some other examples of what you can do with this list of people that you've personally enrolled. Remember, this is not going to show you everyone that you've enrolled because maybe they aren't active yet or they don't have any active people in their team yet. If that's the case, they're not going to appear on this list. Now, if you ever want to see the full list of people that you have personally enrolled, all you do is go right here to Contact Manager. You then want to change this drop down to Affiliate and then click Search. And what that's going to do is going to pull a list in your Contact Manager of everyone that you have personally enrolled who has joined, they've paid, and they are enrolled by you directly. Now, this list is also going to show you who's active and who's not active for the current month. If they are in green, that means they are paid for the current month. If they are any other color, if they are yellow or orange or red, it means they have not yet paid for the current month. And it's important that you encourage them to do so as soon as possible, because as you know, anyone who doesn't make their membership payment by the end of the month, you have until midnight on the last day of each calendar month, anyone who doesn't pay their $40 is removed from the matrix, which would be an astronomically devastating mistake for anyone to make, because that means that they are losing their position. It means anyone that is in their matrix, they've lost forever. Even their personally enrolled people will no longer be a part of their matrix ever. And it also means that their position that they currently have, which is much closer to the top, is going to be replaced. And there's compression, and everyone's going to move up and fill in that spot. And if they ever reactivate or make their $40 payment in the future, they will be placed in the next available position at the bottom of the matrix. So don't let anyone in your team miss their $40 payment. All right, so back to the current rank page. When you scroll down, you see the list of your personals. Remember, these are the people who either they're only going to be on this list if they have paid their membership for the month, so they're active, or it could also mean they have someone in their team who has paid a membership, and they would also appear here. Doesn't mean they've necessarily made their payment though. So for example, this person here at the bottom of the list, okay, it shows one. That one could either be them making their payment for the month, or it could be they have somebody in their team who made their payment for the month. So if they have someone in their team who made their payment, but they didn't make their payment, then it's still going to have them on this list. So you've got to be able to check your contact manager to make sure they've actually made their payment as well for the month. Now here's what's really cool. You can actually click on these names, and it's going to then pull up on that next page their rank page. So here's how this would become very valuable. Okay, I'm going to click on this person here. They've got 16 people in their team, which means that they're getting close to the rank of 2-star. So we'll click on this person, watch. It actually shows that they are at a 2-star from last month, which, as we said a minute ago, that means they're automatically also qualified at the rank of 2-star for all of this month as well. But in order to keep it going into next month, they've got to hit 2-star before the end of this month. So here's actually a really good example of what I was mentioning earlier. Look at this. This person, even though they have 16 paid members in their team, and there's even 5 people on this list, okay, that they've personally enrolled, they're not 1-star. And how's that possible? Why aren't they 1-star? Because they've only enrolled one person that has paid their membership this month. You can see here, personally enrolled needed for 1-star is 2. They've only got 1 out of those 2. Now, how's that possible if there's 5 names on this list? Because these 4 people right here, they have someone they enrolled that paid. That would be out of these 3, this person, this person, and this person paid their membership for the month. But it's people on their team or people they enrolled. But these 4 people here have not made their payment yet for this month. That is why this person is 1 away from the rank of 1-star. This person at the top of the list did make their membership payment. So that's their 1, but these 4 have not yet. So this person needs 1 more person to make their pay their $40 to officially become a 1-star this month. And then they could then move into the qualification to hit 2-star when they have 20 total people in their team. So you can actually keep clicking through these names and see, okay, this person has 10 people on their team. Let's see what their team looks like. And you click on their name and you can see same thing. Check this out. This person hit the rank of 2-star last month, but they have 0 personally enrolled that have paid this month. So they're not at rank yet this month. So even though there's 3 people on this list, 1, 2, 3, these 3 people who are personally enrolled by this person, those 3 didn't pay their $40 yet. So this person doesn't have their 2 for the month. Okay, why are these 3 names here? Because they've enrolled people that did make their payment. And you can see how many people are paid currently. They've got 10 people right now paid on their team, but they don't have their 2 that have paid yet. So you've got to get in here and be able to decipher this and see what everyone is doing on your team to make sure everyone is hitting their ranks. Now, just as a reminder, there are other rank requirements besides the total number. You can always go right here to compensation plan, scroll all the way down, and you're going to click on this link. It says click here to read details on rank advancement, and it's going to tell you what you need to hit each rank. 1 star is just 2 personals, but once you get into 2 star and above, it's not just having a total number of people. In this case, it's 20. There's also a maximum of how many you can have from any individual leg. Okay, so in this case, you can't count more than 8 from any individual leg. And by the way, everyone you personally enroll is a new leg. So as an example, when I click on current rank, you can see this whole list. Each one of these names is a separate leg. You have unlimited legs. Everyone you personally enroll is considered a new enroller leg. And so when they say you can only count a maximum number of people from any one leg, that would be these are all individual legs. Okay, so you can have a maximum number from one of these legs. The rest has to come from all the other legs combined. Now, I do have a more detailed training on how to rank advance. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure you go to icoinpro.biz/training and watch this video. This is going to give you more of a detailed explanation of the different leg requirements and how to help you rank advance and unlock those big commissions with iCoinPro. All right, now I'm going to show you how you can see who on your team is enrolling new members. Okay, this is a very valuable thing for you to be able to see, for those of you that have a team, to be able to see who's enrolling. Anyone, right? You want to be able to see that. Here's how you do it. First, you click on My Team in your back office. You then go to View Enroller Tree. You are then going to change this to all levels, and then you're going to click right here on Change View. When you do that, it's going to take a minute to load the page. You then, after the page loads, you're going to select all. Okay, so the easiest way to do that on the keyboard is you hit Control+A, and you can see the whole page just selected everything. Okay, then you do Control+C. That is going to copy all the text on this page. Then you're going to open up a Google document, whether it's Google Sheets. I'm just using Google Sheets. It's a virtual Sheets page where you can do spreadsheets. You're then going to paste everything that you just copied right here into an Excel document or Google Sheets, and then you can sort the column of date upgraded. So right here, I'm going to click this. I'm going to click Sort Sheet from Z to A, and that is automatically going to give you your whole team sorted by enrollment date. So you can see here that yesterday, Paul Gibbons enrolled James Power. You can see that Charlie enrolled Crystal Harris, okay? And you can go through and see all of, by date order, all of the enrollments that are happening. The sponsor is here and the new member is here. So why is this valuable? Because you want to be able to see who on your team is producing, and when you see anyone enroll a new member, you want to make sure that that new member is getting added to the groups. They are getting up and running. They're going through our trainings. And you can also congratulate the sponsor and encourage them to keep going to hit at least the first rank of 1 star and beyond. Now, there is another really cool feature that's only available for 2-star ranked members and above. So I don't believe this will be available for anyone until you hit the rank of 2-star. So that just gives you a little incentive to hit that rank of 2-star. There's actually 2 different features that I'm going to share with you that are available for 2 stars and above only. So a little motivation for you. Number 1 is this: View Team Rank Ups. So we click on this. It's actually going to pull up a list of everyone on your team who got promoted for the first time to a rank that they've never hit before. Why? So you can congratulate them. So you can see it gives you a drop down. It goes back to June. Now, just as an FYI, when you go back to June and even a lot of July, you're going to see the dates here all say 7/25. That's obviously not going to be correct, but it's just how it works for when they pushed this new feature live. All of the date recordeds are going to say 7/25. But when you go into the new month of August, it's going to be accurate, and it will give you the accurate date. You can see here for July, we've got July 28th, July 29th, July 30th, July 31st. And so it's going to give you the date that they rank advanced to a new rank that they've never hit before. And you can see over here, it tells you what rank they hit. So this is very exciting and valuable for you as a leader so that you can be doing recognition and congratulating everyone on your team who is hitting new ranks. Now that other really cool feature is this one. It's the rank up image tool. And this allows for you to create the rank up graphics. This is only going to be available for 2-star ranked leaders and above only. So let's get you to 2-star. Here's what that graphic creator looks like. It allows you to customize the name of the person, the photo, and you get to also choose what rank it is that they have achieved. Based on the rank that they have achieved, you can choose that in the rank up image generator tool that was created by Paul D'Souza. So thank you, sir, for making that happen. Super fast, super easy way for you to create these graphics for everyone on your team who is rank advancing. So just another little cool secret tool for you to use, but you got to hit 2-star. So let's get you to 2-star ASAP so you have access to the rank up image tool, and you also have access to the other rank up chart, the rank up report rather, that I just showed you, where you can see everyone on your team who is rank advancing. All right, so if you're excited, drop a like, drop a comment. If you have any questions on anything I've covered in this training, drop a comment right here. Let me know what questions you have. I'm happy to help. Get excited. Let's go.